The Asus Vivobook 14 Flip brings a premium design and top-notch performance at this price point. Asus is one of the few brands in the market that always thrives to deliver something unique to its customers. The company has been consistently launching laptops in different segments, whether be it productivity or gaming. This time, the brand has developed a new two-in-one laptop, Asus Vivobook 14 Flip. The newest laptop from the brand offers an interesting set of features and specifications that can bring a good level of productivity, a decent binge-watching experience, and the capability to run some casual games. So, with a price tag of $1,109.58 United States dollar, does it make sense to go with this two-in-one laptop? Let's find out in this review. Asus Vivobook 14 Flip 2025 Design: sleek and lightweight. Dimension 312.6 by 221x 16.9 mm. A weight 1.5 kilograms. Colors matte gray. Asus Vivobook 14 Flip is easily one of the most premium and compact laptops out there in this price segment. The laptop offers a sleek profile with just 16.9 millimeters thinness, though the weight is around 1.5 kilograms, which does not feel that heavy, to be honest. The laptop is available in a single matte gray color option, which looks premium, to be honest. The laptop has an aluminum body coupled with US MILS DD810H certification, making it a reliable and durable machine. Talking about the design aesthetics, the top lid offers a matte finish with the Asus Vivobook logo, which looks elegant. The lid looks sturdy, though there is a slight flex when you press it from the middle. Once you open the lid, you will find the Asus ErgoSense keyboard along with a large touchpad. The laptop also comes with a sturdy 360-degree hinge that offers on-point resistance. This makes it easier for you to even open the laptop with one finger. The hinge does not feel too tight or loose for the entire 360-degree motion. This also means that you can use the laptop in 4 different modes: laptop mode, stand mode, tent mode, and tablet mode. These modes are quite fun to use. I usually use the stand mode to watch a quick episode and turn it back to laptop mode to start working. I also like the fact that the windows just seamlessly shift to tablet mode once you move the hinge post 180 degrees. However, there is also a downside to this hinge. Although it feels secure, the issue of screen wobble is there, which makes it sometimes a bit uneasy to use the touchscreen while using the laptop. As for the ports, the laptop offers a decent amount of ports for everyday usage. You get a USB Type-A port on the right side. On the left, there are multiple ports, including an HDMI 2.1 port, one Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C port, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, one microSD card slot, and a 3.5mm audio jack. That said, the Asus Vivobook 14 Flip offers a sleek design language, which is a plus point in this price segment. Asus Vivobook 14 Flip 2025 Display: vibrant. Display: 14-inch OLED touchscreen. Resolution: Full HD+, 1200 by 1920 pixels. Refresh rate: 60 Hz. Coming to the display, the Asus Vivobook 14 Flip packs a decent display in a compact form factor. The device is loaded with Asus luminous OLED panel that delivers good level saturations and colors. The text appears to be crisp, and the dynamic range also looks good. The colors appear to be vibrant while watching The 7 Deadly Sins, 4 Nights of the Apocalypse on Netflix. The display also has a 100% DCI P3 color gamut, Display HDR 500 True Black, and TUV Rhineland certification. The laptop comes loaded with up to 500 nits of peak brightness, which is good enough for the indoor work environment. You also work at a cafe with such brightness if you fully crank it up. That said, the screen is a bit reflective, which makes it difficult to use when the light source is directly behind you. On the other side, the screen only comes with a 60 Hz refresh rate, which could be a bit higher to provide a much better and seamless scrolling and viewing experience. Asus Vivobook 14 Flip 2025 Keyboard, touchpad, speakers, and webcam. Keyboard: backlit keyboard. Webcam: Full HD plus IR camera. Speakers: dual speakers. The Asus Vivobook 14 Flip offers a backlit keyboard, which the brand calls ErgoSense. The keyboard performance is up to the mark. There is a decent amount of key travel, and the spacing between the keys is decent as well. The keyboard is also backlit, meaning that you can even work in dim lighting conditions. The laptop also comes with a large touchpad slab, which comes with smart gestures to control brightness, volume, and other features. The overall performance of the touchpad is good as it is responsive and provides a good tactile experience when you press it. In terms of security, you get an IR-based camera for Windows Hello support. The IR-based Windows Hello feature works effortlessly, even when the lights are dim in the room. The full HD camera is also decent for video calls, and the dual microphone captures the sound nicely. The audio output on this machine is decent. The volume is good, though if you play music or watch a movie at full volume, you will feel some crinkling sound, which somewhat spoils the mood. Asus Vivobook 14 Flip 2025 Software, less bloatware. Operating system, Windows 11. Other features, AI Cube. In terms of software, the Asus Vivobook 14 Flip runs on Windows 11 operating system. The latest laptop from Asus is also a Copilot Plus certified PC with a dedicated AI chip that offers up to 47 TOPS performance. So, yes, you can use the Copilot to find files, get answers to queries, or adjust or manage some applications. AI usage is also present while using video calls. The laptop also comes with Asus StoryCube, an AI tool to manage your photos on the laptop. Moving on, we have the My Asus application, which is a one-stop portal to monitor the performance of your laptop. You can run diagnoses, update drivers, keep a tab on different apps, and more. Asus Vivobook 14 Flip 2025 Performance, top-notch. Chipset, Intel Core Ultra 7, 258V. RAM, 16GB LPDDR5X. ROM, 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. GPU, Intel Arc Graphics 140V. Coming to the performance, the Asus Vivobook 14 Flip is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7, 258V processor that offers up to 4.8 GHz of boost speed, 128 MB cache, and more. The laptop also features 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. The laptop glides effortlessly during day-to-day tasks. So, whether it be scrolling on the web, watching movies, editing documents, or photos, the laptop performance is stable in most cases. Even with heavy multitasking, like opening multiple Chrome tabs, playing YouTube, and writing an article on Microsoft Word, the laptop didn't stutter. Moreover, with Intel Arc Graphics, you can also do some casual gaming with the laptop. I played Valorant with default medium settings and was able to get a stable 200 frames per second during the gameplay. Interestingly, heat management is also good and the laptop didn't get too hot during intensive usage, which is nice. Asus Vivobook 14 Flip 2025 Battery, impressive. Battery capacity 70, where lithium polymer, typical. Fast charging, 65W USB Type-C adapter. The battery is another strong suit of the Asus Vivobook 14 Flip laptop. The device comes loaded with a 70Wh battery that is quite reliable and long-lasting. During my testing period, I easily got 10 to 12 hours of screen time during my usage, which is a good thing. More importantly, the laptop also comes with a 65W fast charger that can easily charge the laptop in under 2 hours. Asus Vivobook 14 Flip 2025 Verdict. To conclude, the Asus Vivobook 14 Flip is a good attempt by the company to provide a practical 2-in-1 to the customers. The laptop offers a premium design that is also durable. The display is vibrant and offers rich colors. The performance is top-notch and the dedicated NPU makes it future-proof. So, if you are looking for a 2-in-1 laptop for productivity and some light gaming and your budget is under $1,143.97 United States dollar, then consider this model. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow Gadgets Simmyideas Tech Hub on X, Facebook, and WhatsApp for the latest videos on gadgets and tech. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.